This is the Splash Days die set from Spellbinders. There are 13 different dies in this set to create some fun summer-themed cards. Now, this is part of the summer camp collection, so this works as accessories with the other dies and stencil set, and as well as sentiment stamp set in that collection. The pieces are really easy to put together, and that swimsuit, the life jacket, the little swim trunks are meant for the characters in both the Trailside Trio and Woodland Trio die sets, and they look absolutely adorable. You can see one of the Trailside Trio characters on the screen here. That life jacket looks absolutely adorable on him. I'm using this to create some cards, but these would be fantastic as summer or lakeside themed scrapbook pages as well. They're so fun to put together. They look absolutely adorable, and I love all the different options in this particular set. Here we have the canoe as well as the oar and the life jacket on the little raccoon. And then I use the fishing pole with the fish for one of the fox or a fox card that I created. I used some holographic cardstock for that fish, and it really added some fun shine to it. So fun to use, such adorable creations as a result of the Splash Days die set.